Hey guys, today's Friday, November 14th, and I just got my prize that I won from Chef Robert Irvine Fortifx Facebook page for sharing my transformation picture on there. So I'm gonna open this up. So I got a GNC Live Well bag. And 2 boxes of fitcrunch bars. So one of them is peanut butter and the other one is cookies and cream. I mean, they're 190 calories, 16 grams of protein, only 3 grams of sugar, only 6-layered baked bar, chef created nutrition, whey protein isolate, soft baked center. So that's awesome. I can't wait to try them out. And thank you, Chef Robert Irvine, for this prize. And another thing, guys, look forward to me being featured by Chef Robert Irvine on his Facebook page. So I'll let y'all know. I'll post it on here when y'all can see it with the link so you can check it out. And I will see y'all later. Bye.